Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution. I had a client call and they had messed up the resolution somehow, so I had to log into their computer and correct it and put it back to where it was originally. Alright, let's go to the desktop. We're going to right click on the desktop. Let's go down to Display Settings. Let's go down until we find Resolution. I currently have this one set for 1920 by 1080. The recommended resolution for this particular monitor is 2560 by 1080 because it's a 29-inch monitor. But I have it set to 1920 by 1080 because I have it set up for YouTube. I set the scale and the layout to 125%. The reason being is I like things a little larger so that they show a little better on video. And this particular monitor is a Dell 29-inch monitor. And I have the night light on, which actually allows me to make the monitor a little darker and take out the blue light so that it's a little easier on the eyes. But that's basically how you change the resolution. Just go down, click on resolution, and change it to whatever you want it to be. The recommended resolution is usually where you want it to be. That's the best for your particular monitor. So let's close this. Please check out the videos above, and please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.